self comma new driver name. That is what I told you in the behavior of your class. A simple method that updates the name of the driver. Then self dot dname is equals to new driver name. See here, yourself, your object dot dname, driver name, dname, right, is equals to new driver name. This method changes the name of the driver for the passed object self. This is object, self is object. Object, you're passing the driver name, new driver name into D name. Right? Then this is the example. Next. See, another example of an object method. If definition pick up passengers. So you already given another method. So first method is driver name. Second one is pick up point, that is called pick up passengers. Self comma number of picked up passengers. Number of picked up passengers. A method that increases the number of passengers. Then self dot number of passengers is equals to number of passengers plus number of picked up passengers. Means in between some, for example, your bus is starting from one location to another, our college. So the pickup points are there. The first pickup point, how many students? The second pickup, the third pickup, and finally these students are reporting to college like this way. So the number of passengers equals to number of picked up passengers. Number of passengers plus number of picked up passengers. Means initial stage, how many students are there in the starting, then up to the last end point, last picked up point, how many students are there. That's what they count. I think every day in your bus they are counting your students count in the one particular bus, right? This is the another example, right? Next, so exercise, how to write a class and describe the description I have given in this, how to create a class, right? A bus is created with a number of seats. See, a bus created with a number of seats. 60 seats are available, 45 seats are available, or so you number of seats you can count. A color, so usually our bus color is yellow, and is driven by a bus. So bus has some color, how many seats are available, right? So driver, that has a name, driver name. So new passengers get into the bus. So new passenger get in the bus, and existing bus passengers can leave their seat and then get into the bus. Okay, so number of bus passengers can't be smaller than 0. So yeah, obviously, right, 0 below 0 is not available. Now that is can't. Okay, then the instructions are: start by drawing a class diagram. Starting by the class diagram, create a class for the bus in Python. Create 2 objects of your class. So how to create a class diagram already shown in the earlier diagram. Like this is, sorry, this is called class diagram. So how to create a class diagram in a bus, right? You can write down. So driver name is required, on duty, number of passengers, so number of pickup points, not cities, pickup points. Okay, pick up passengers, drop passengers, set driver name, get driver name. This is enough for a bus. Okay, like so just a previous example. Where I have missed in this. Okay. Then creating a simple class in Python. A class we describe one object how to look like. So what behavior we have? Classes are the blueprints for a new data type in your program. A class should have yet minimum a name, that is class taxi, a constructor method. Constructor method means constructor, same name of the class as a method which is called as a constructor. Same name of the class will create a method. This is called as a constructor. For example, class triple E is equals to new class triple E. So that class triple E is a method. So that is called as a constructor. So same name as class name is called as a called as constructor. That is I will tell you later in the constructor part. So then that is called constructor method that describes how to create a new object. Next, see example class. Here class taxi. Here the name of the class is taxi. Just before I told you the name of the class taxi. Then so definition init. Init in the sense initialization. Initialization your class, that is called definition. This class describes how taxi may looks like. So that is init. So init to service to destroy. So these are the life cycle of a program. Init means initialization, starting. So the service means you can run the program, you can process the program. How to process, I will tell you later. So this is the life cycle of any program. So init service to destroy. Once your object is completed your program, we can destroy automatically. That is a destroy method. So there are three methods. Then here the first method is init method. Double underscore init double underscore. So this is initialization method. Inside you want to supply self comma, self is an object comma, driver name comma, on duty comma, cities, which is your class name. Class name indicates the attributes which is described. So self comma driver name comma on duty comma cities. Okay, so which are a function colon self dot dname. Self is your object, I told you, right? Self dot dname is equals to driver name. Self dot o duty means objects we are creating now. O duty is equals to on duty. Self dot cities is equals to cities. Self dot number of passengers is equals to, so additive identity 0. So these are the object variables. So we are creating, your object is the variables driver name, on duty, cities, your number of passengers. So we can pass the values, initialization, the initialization values, right? So then init method, the double underscore init double underscore method initialization, I told you, right? So double underscore init and double underscore init is a special method in Python classes, which is a special method, but init in the sense initialization. Okay, initialization. So here the init method is the constructor method for a class. So init method is a constructor for a class. One class, it is constructor is default constructor is init method. So init is called whenever an object of the class is constructed. So once your object is creating, so the init method will be calling, right? Init is called whenever an object of the class, whenever an object as a class is constructed means created. So once you create any object, the init method is called. Like programmer makes a new object. See here the visualization. Programmer makes a new object. Init method is called. Then the behavior of init method executed. Right? So then, for example, my taxi is equals to taxi of Alex. Taxi of Alex. That is driver name. String. Okay. Here self dot. So what is indicating this? Self dot taxi driver. The self dot taxi driver is equals to Alex. So the driver name is Alex. So here the self dot taxi driver is an object. So once programmer makes a new object, the init method will be calling, and the behavior of init method executed. The execution is, so here my taxi is equal to taxi of alert. So the Alex name is sent to your object, right? Then next example object taxi. The data is driver name, on duty, number of passengers, cities. So I told you example, like taxi example. What is the attributes? What kind of attributes are available? Driver name, on duty, number of passengers, number of cities. Then next, creating an object from a class. How to create an object from a class? So how to create from one class? You make object. Object means instance, shadow, right? Then class taxi colon class taxi colon. This is the syntax. Here we want to describe how taxi may looks like. So definition double underscore unit double underscore self comma driver name comma on duty comma cities colon self dot d name is